What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time visiting, don't be a stranger. Stick and stay. Subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and you'll be in the know the next time I got a good one for you. Beautiful babes, I'm excited to share with you today this banana and clay mud mask. This is going to be excellent for reducing pores, treating blackheads, and also moisturizing your skin. If you're dealing with those issues, check this video out. We're going to be taking 1/3 of a ripe banana. Bananas are the secret to well-nourished skin, rich in potassium and moisture. They will hydrate and moisturize dry skin, making the skin soft and supple. Vitamin A in banana restores moisture, smoothens out the skin and texture of the skin, heals the skin, especially if you're dealing with dry and parched skin. Bananas is a great resource for that. Then we'll be taking 1 tablespoon of French green clay. French green clay is beneficial in removing impurities and tightening the pores, toning the skin, exfoliating dead skin cells, and reducing inflammation caused by acne. French green clay can also be used as a full body treatment to soften dry, rough skin. The third ingredient is a 1/2 teaspoon of castor oil. Castor oil, as you know, contains essential fatty acids. It will help to restore the skin's natural moisture balance. Castor oil also prevents wrinkles as it contains antioxidants that fight free radicals in your body. Castor oil has antibacterial properties and it has a low comedogenic score. That means it's unlikely to clog your pores, and it helps reduce the risk of developing blackheads, making it appropriate for use on sensitive skin. As I mentioned, this banana and clay mud mask is here to help reduce pores, treat blackheads, and moisturize. So finally is rosemary oil. Now don't do like me. I accidentally misread my information and put in a little bit too much of the rosemary oil. It is potent. All you need is droplets, 2 to 3 little drops of it. That's it. Rosemary oil will hydrate the skin and help to control oil production. It also provides an antibacterial surface for the skin, keeping acne at bay. Rosemary oil's antiseptic properties are beneficial to skin conditions such as eczema. Rosemary essential oil is naturally antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic, so it makes an excellent preservative in natural skincare products, and it also makes an excellent skin tonic for any kind of skin conditions that are caused from excess bacteria or congested pores. Now mix it and mix it well. And once that's done, this is your beautiful banana and clay mud mask. Now it's time to start with a fresh, clean, exfoliated face and apply this generously all over your face. Now this is one that you only have to use this once a week to help purify your pores, clean your pores, tighten your pores, treat blackheads, and help to keep your skin moisturized. Simply once per week. Now, you know, to make this fresh each and every time, you don't have to store it because the clay can technically dry out over a few days. So make sure you make it fresh. Amazing mask. And as I said, I put a little bit too much of the rosemary oil in, but we are going to endure because it is very potent. smoothing it all over my face. Now, we're going to leave this on to dry on our face. You can leave it up to 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your tolerance of it. And this can be applied to your face, neck, and chest area. Once the mask has dried, all you have to do then is rinse it off with warm water. If you choose to use a mild facial wash, that's fine as well. But as soon as you rinse this off, make sure you moisturize your face well. Use this mask again once a week. That's all that's needed, and do not store it. You're going to be in love with your skin. You'll notice your pores immediately are smoothed out. They are smoothed out, and you're going to be so impressed by that. Love this mask so much. Be sure to go ahead and moisturize your face after using this mask. Definitely will need to do that. Today I moisturize with cherry kernel oil. I do have an upcoming video on that particular oil. It is super amazing. Yes, it is. And there is your beautiful skin. Beautiful babes, I hope you enjoyed this easy, simple recipe with great and powerful benefits for treating blackheads, reducing and shrinking those pores, and also moisturizing your skin. You're going to love it. And beautiful babes, I am finito. Thank you so much for coming by one more time to hang out with your girl Sweet Angel here right on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, you got something out of it, or you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you drop a like on it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Tap that post notification bell. Make sure you put the bell to all. You don't want to miss one of my upcoming videos. It's always something going on here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. And beautiful babes, listen, don't keep me a secret. Make sure you do one more thing, and that's to share me with your world. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.